Hi, I'm Lee Colson. I'm from Port Hope, Ontario. The Canadian Tire Tested for Life program has asked me to review the Mastercraft Racking Workbench. First thing I want to say about the workbench is to put it together took me about 15 minutes. I've used it with my chainsaw, cleaning it up after cutting wood. You know the fall season's coming. It's been fantastic. It holds up. Done a little bit of grinding for some metal work I had to do, and it's held up great. I actually put my son's 50cc ATV on top of this, and it took it no problem. It says it'll hold 2,000 pounds. I have to agree with that. Again, the nice thing about putting this together was it is basically 4 wing nuts. You spin them together, everything else slides in, clips in, metal plugs to hold the frame together, and solid. That's all I've got to say. Ranking this for just a 48-incher, great workbench. I'm going to use it a lot. My wife, who does woodworking, is going to be using it an awful lot, and you can't go wrong with this for the size and the price. Anybody who purchases this item will be happy. We're quite pleased with it, and again, the Tested for Life program by Canadian Tire. What a great program, and it proves that they test their equipment and materials and any other products they sell to ensure that they're ready for what us Canadians can put through it.